I am sitting in my backyard after we have worked all day to clean on the backyard and taking a rest. It's too dark to work. Don't have any drop cord lights, so I am recording the full moon. It's supposed to be a blood moon tonight, but it's real cloudy. As you can see, I got clouds all over. It's been very windy today, but I have the full moon. It's not red yet. I don't know if it's not red because of the clouds. Probably because of the clouds. I still got dust in my throat from the wind earlier today. So I'm just enjoying the evening, watching the clouds. I zoomed in so I would not get any of my neighbors' houses in the video. And so I could get a good shot of the moon right there. It looks like it's sitting there in the branches. It just looks like it's sitting there on that little branch. That little light off to the bottom is a light off in town, one of the street lights. The little red light, it's a street light. But there's the moon perched in my backyard tree. It looks so pretty, the light filtering on the clouds. It just looks so pretty like that. And there it is. It's perching on that little branch between the two bigger branches. It just looks so pretty. And the light just scatters through the clouds, real pretty. Real pretty sunset. Not sunset, but moonrise. Yeah, it's moonrise. That's what it is. It's a moonrise. This is why I like my backyard at night. The pretty moonrises.